Hi there! This is the all-new Oneplus Nord CE4 Lite. We have it in mega blue color and I must say, it looks absolutely stunning. So OnePlus has targeted this phone for those looking for a reliable smartphone around 20k that offers smooth performance, all-day battery life, good cameras, loud audio and a gorgeous slim design. Now, I've been using this phone a little shy of 2 weeks. Let me share my experiences so you can decide if the Nord CE4 Lite is worth your buck or not. Let's begin. So we'll quickly take you through the unboxing. Nord box with CE4 branding on the side. Right on the top is a small box which includes the quick start guide, everyone's favorite Nord stickers, the red cable card, SIM ejector pin, a transparent TPU cover. Then below is the phone itself, everyone's favorite, the red OnePlus charging cable and an 80-watt charging brick. Wow, काफी solid hai. Now, let's have a closer look at the build and design. Yes, I'm in love with this mega blue color. The choice of color I would say is brilliant. Though polycarbonate back with glossy finish, but still it barely attracts any fingerprint or smudges. Very clean. Also the phone is quite slim at 8.1 mm and weighs just 191 grams. Very ergonomic. If you look closely, on the top is the top firing speaker. On the side are the power volume rockers. At the bottom is a secondary down-firing speaker, USB-C port, microphone and even a headphone jack. Then on the other side is a hybrid SIM tray that can house 2 nano SIM cards at once or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Personally, I would have preferred a dedicated micro SD card slot, but I don't think that's a deal breaker. You also get IP54 ratings, so it's protection from dust and mild splashes. However, I would highly recommend you keep this away from water as far as possible. For starters, use the provided cover. Then you get dual rear cameras, 50 megapixel Sony LYT600 primary sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor for portraits. So, how does the camera perform? Here are some images taken from the primary camera. The colors are tuned to look more natural and there is good amount of detail in the images. Super impressive dynamic range. Here's an image on a bright day. Half side of the road is sunny while the other is covered. You can see how well the details are balanced even in the shadows. So clear. Here are some cat images for those who like to take pictures of their pets. Then here are some images with 2x zoom. Surprisingly good clarity even here. Then these are some portrait shots. They look just perfect. Excellent color tuning, good HDR, edge detection is almost perfect in most scenarios. Then here's a full HD 30 FPS video recorded from the rear camera. The stability and the clarity look pretty good to me. Sadly, there's no 4K video recording here. Then here are some images taken from the front 16 megapixel selfie camera. Again, here too we have good clarity, wide angles which is perfect for those group selfies. Skin tones are also pretty decent. Then here are some portrait shots. The background bokeh is pretty good. However, the highlights do get blown up at times, but still very much usable. What do you guys think?
So here's a video recording from the front 16 megapixel camera and this is a full HD 30 FPS video recording and I think it's pretty decent. There's no 4K video recording here which could be a little disappointing, but for the price I don't think I'll be complaining because the full HD video recording is also pretty stable. This is handheld, it's quite clear. Also the audio that you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the phone.
So the cameras on the Nord CE4 Lite are very dependable. You won't get a bad shot and it works really well. But surprisingly, the phone doesn't support 4K video recording on front or rear cameras, which is something you gotta keep in mind. However, I can assure you that the full HD video recording on this is really good. It's better than having a bad 4K video recording, which I see on so many smartphones nowadays. Let's talk about the display. So we get a 6.67 inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. It's super vibrant with pitch perfect deep blacks. Excellent clarity where even the smallest text is clearly visible. The 120Hz refresh rate provides a smooth user experience. OnePlus surely knows how to optimize their phones. Everything just flows like silk. Then we get an in-display fingerprint scanner to unlock the phone. It's responsive and quick, works like a charm. Then right on the top is the punch hole notch housing the 16 megapixel front selfie camera. OnePlus claims 2100 nits of peak brightness and we tested it outdoors as well and you can see everything is so clear and readable. You can easily use the phone outdoors on a bright sunny day. Then watching movies and TV shows is super fun too. Content goes edge to edge and looks so immersive. It comes with Widevine L1 certification, so content from apps like Netflix and Prime Videos will play at full resolution. Then we also tested YouTube and the content plays flawlessly without any lag or delay. Coming to the audio. So the Nord CE4 Lite comes with dual stereo speakers with support for 300% audio boost. Let's see how it sounds.
Panic. He's realized he can't get out. He's going to try to cause chaos. Dad, what are you doing? You're acting weird.
So the 300% volume boost gives the audio the much needed punch while listening to music, or if you can't hear the dialogue while watching a movie. I'm sure this will come very handy to parents and even grandparents. Oh, by the way, there's also a headphone jack at the bottom to connect your wired earphones if needed. Let's talk about the interface. So it's running Android 14 out of the box with Oxygen OS also 14. It's very clean, smooth and easy to navigate. There are a few pre-installed apps and games which could be annoying at first, but the good thing is you can delete them if needed. It's really easy. Let's talk about the performance. So it's powered by the Snapdragon 695 chipset. The performance is pretty good. It can handle all your day-to-day apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Gmail, Google Apps, all those very well. Now the unit we have came with 8GB LPDDR4X RAM with support for 8GB virtual RAM expansion, giving a total of 16GB RAM. Apps launch almost instantly. Multitasking between all recently launched apps was such a breeze. Then we ran the Antutu benchmark and it scored around 4,73,000. When it comes to gaming, we played everyone's favorite BGMI. We got about 40 FPS, which isn't exactly great, but yes, it's very much playable. We didn't experience any lag or drop frames even after playing for a long time. The Nord CE4 Lite isn't exactly a gaming-centric phone, but yes, will work fine for casual gaming. Let's talk about the battery. So the Nord CE4 Lite comes with a larger 5500 mAh battery that will easily last you a full day, and sometimes even two if you're a light user like my mom. She might actually get even 3. But on a serious note, solid battery life without a doubt. Also, you get an 80-watt fast charger in the box, which takes about 52 minutes to fully charge. The other handy feature is reverse charging. Though just 5-watt reverse charging, it's handy to quickly charge your TWS earphones. Trust me, sometimes that's so important, especially when you're in a hurry. Alright, final thoughts. So, the Nord CE4 Lite isn't a flagship, but a phone that delivers reliable performance in every department. It's a phone perfect for your parents, for your grandparents, for your college kid. You have a really good camera, you have solid battery life, it has a gorgeous AMOLED display, and of course, really smooth performance. The Oneplus Nord CE4 is already on sale and available in 2 colors and 2 variants, starting at 19,999 for 8 plus 128 and 22,999 for 8 plus 256GB variants. I'll share the links of all below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.